Hey kids, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today I'm making blue Tansy's blue Tansy face serum. So basically where it's like it helps, like, you know, when you have to wash your face, you tone your face, you're gonna need that little serum to help hydrate all of that back in. So yeah, I'm gonna make my famous blue Tansy oil serum, not oil, serum. But yeah, so before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified if I post a video. And let's get into this video.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Tansy health benefits is basically like good. Actually helps for your skin, helps with dark circles, helps with wrinkles, and also helps definitely like rejuvenates your face. Like when I put that on, girl, my face feels smooth as a baby's bottom, like for real, like smooth. But yeah, some parts of the video you might see, and there's like some clips that has been taken out or deleted. Yeah, I accidentally probably deleted them when I was deleting my other videos, so your girl, I'm gonna have like a little short video. But basically the ingredients of how to mix it is easy. Basically you're gonna need your essential oils, you're gonna need your jojoba oil, and also you're gonna need is vitamin E oil, and that's it. Oh, also definitely your glass jar. How you gonna forget that? Basically for the glass jar, you're gonna definitely need like to pour in. First, you're gonna pour in your essential oils. You're gonna do 5 drops of lavender and 5 drops of, or 7 drops of frankincense. I can't say that word for some reason, but you're gonna need to do that. And then you're gonna add in your jojoba oil as much as you want. Your jojoba oil is definitely gonna be the main key of your oils, but unless you got a carrot oil, you can use that instead, like whatever oil you choose to. Me, I'm gonna go definitely, the recipe calls for is jojoba oil and vitamin E. So you're gonna at least like a quarter of the vitamin E, and also the rest is gonna be jojoba oil, how much ever you got. I didn't have that much on here because been using jojoba oil for a lot of skincare products, so yeah, you gotta use a lot of that. And also I use a lot of the lavender and frankincense, so I'm gonna need to buy some more for that, or probably make my own garden vlog, because I always want to know how to plant my own lavender, because I always want to know how lavender grows. And from where I live from, we're certain areas have lavender, but for our backyard we don't got lavender, so we're gonna probably grow some. And frankincense, because I know frankincense you can grow that in the oil. But I really want to know I really always wanted like lavender in the backyard. Like I don't know why, but I guess because I've been liking the color purple. But yeah, but having lavender back in the backyard will look so pretty back there. It helps gives it life. Like also it'll be fun and easy to come by too. So yeah, I'm probably gonna invest in getting like some lavender plants and grow them, because I need to learn how to be a great plant mom, because my other plant died, the one before that died. Yeah, I don't think I got a good green thumb so far. It's just because I didn't. Well, for my other plant, I didn't water. I watered too much, and I left outside. I watered too much first time, but it revived itself. But when I left outside and it had been raining, it died. Sad to say, but it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the Tansy oil. Basically, you're gonna put all your stuff in one jar. Okay. So basically, guys, the Tansy oil is basically have a bunch of great health benefits for that. So I might have it right here on the screen so you can see the health benefits. And yeah, it's really good. Like, I definitely recommend you guys try this out because 10 out of 10, this is actually a good serum. I made some for my mom. I made her a whole big jar, which, yeah, I probably might steal some of hers. She might not ever know, but that serum, it felt so good to like put on your face. Especially, it's great for nighttime, so don't do it in the day, but do it at night before you go to bed, so it can help all, like when you're sleeping and resting. The oils will not rub off as fast or dry up because in the sun it usually dries up, but it's best for like doing it at night because basically when you're sleeping it helps like start like rejuvenating your face while you're not being too active as much. That's what I think, but I might be wrong, so it is whatever. But yeah, definitely try this at night and after you do all your skin rituals or skin routines. I keep saying rituals, but wow, yeah, just try doing this at night and let it sit there so it can help penetrate your face much faster than what in the day. But yeah, I definitely recommend you guys try this out and go ahead and do it because it was bomb to do. Like, I had fun making this. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching, cuties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you liked, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified I post a video on it. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Until then, bye, cuties. Cutie out.
Gotta be sick of this night. Pull up skirt.